Location of Dallas beside Trinity River, Texas, a southern state with Oklahoma and the Gulf of Mexico to the south toward the north. Over 6.5 million individuals reside in the metroplex of Dallas-Fort Worth, Arlington. TV series and movies in Hollywood have portrayed a photo of a city in the desert governed by cattle barons and oil tycoons. But in spite of its Wild West reputation, Texas is hardly a rural state, and neither is Dallas. Desert is all. Upon landing, you are greeted by the sight of Reunification Tower, the long-standing symbol of this rapidly expanding city in the south. Technology is currently the largest local industry. Others even refer to it as Silicon Prairie. The moniker the Big D is more popular. Dallas being the most populated and significant commercial center for the area. Discover Dallas's cultural side by going to the theaters and galleries in the city. Visit the Dallas Arts District and peruse the Gallery of Art to view renowned European and American designs paintings. The Nasher Sculpture Center blends media next door. The conventional with the modern in a calm environment. Enjoy the Arboretum's works of nature, as well as botanical gardens, utilizing vibrant displays of local plants and flowers from Europe. Get a treat from a food truck on a hot day. Then have a Texas-style lunch on the grass. Examine the Dallas's underwater caverns. Ocean World go up close view incredible creatures. The aquarium resembles a zoo more. Therefore, if you like, don't miss the jungle walk. Monkeys. Children nearby have the ability to outpace adults and fly like birds. A reptile, observe a tornado or experience an earthquake within the Perot Museum of Science and Nature. They can see lovable koalas at the Dallas Zoo, observe other giants and hand-feed giraffes within the savannah. Visit the theme park Six Flags over Texas Arlington, Virginia for additional family enjoyment on the more than 100 rides. Roll a ball, ride the Rockin' Rocket, etc. And for lunch, try a Texas-sized hot dog. Explore with a 10-gallon hat and some boots. Historic Village. Prepare yourself then to travel to South Fork Ranch. The massively popular soap operas set the Dallas Opera to access the home of J.R. plus Sue Ellen acted out their troubled union. Nearly 40 years later, there are still those who follow this family saga. Fans from every continent. Enter a cattle drive in the middle of it, near Pioneer Plaza, in the center of the city. Texas Longhorn monuments made of bronze can be found in the unattractive park. This restored prairie honors the previous western trails. This led to the initial inhabitants arriving here in the 1800s. One of the pivotal moments in American history happened in West End's former book depository. Place yourself exactly where the shot was fired. Been fired that resulted in Kennedy's death in 1963. The Dealey Plaza Museum on the 6th floor examines the murder of the charismatic the leader of the USA. If you visit Dallas, try a Texas before you depart. Barbecue or order sushi on top if you like exquisite dining. Reunion Building. Spend the evening dancing or relaxing in an uptown cocktail bar. The free vintage trolley will transport people safely. You return to downtown after dark. Visit Dallas, where the new and the old coexist. Where the welcoming locals will greet you with their Texas twang. The size of the state in close proximity to the Red River, to the busy thriving home in the Dallas Metroplex DFW is the largest city in the country to over 7.5 million people. The largest metropolitan region in Texas, America's fourth largest city, Dallas has a wide variety of scenery, containing anything from contemporary from tall buildings to dated cattle yards, where a number of large, eminent companies that play professional sports, a vibrant nightlife, and a burgeoning art scene, making it simple to see why as the Metroplex's population is increasing. Has world-class zoos that have won awards, aquarium, as well as numerous historically important locations and attractions. Dallas's downtown has a number of art parks, installations, and companies' historical locations, such as the West End and the Knoll with grass. Here is where the road has an X. employed in the terrible location where former John F. Kennedy was assassinated, and one of the most tragic times in U.S. history, music. No visit to the city would be complete without visiting one of the numerous free visiting Dallas museums, and praising downtown has great architecture. There is something in Skyline for every taste, including contemporary buildings such as the Perot Museum and, similar to the Kirby Building, Gothic Revival, the neoclassical and Victorian houses on Swiss Avenue, as well as the iconic glass skyscrapers are clear. Music. There are also ATMs located all across downtown. The Magnolia's creation of a winged Pegasus about 80 years ago, an oil business, has since evolved into a type of Dallas logo. Music. Dallas also features a variety of housing types. Traditional and contemporary industrial, as well as the luxurious homes in Highland Park. There are many hip places to call home. Surrounding and in Dallas, DFW is a significant financial center as well. Has a federal building and a World Trade Center. 60 cents and a Federal Reserve Bank. Percent of paper bills in America are DFW printing. Music. Additionally, DFW is home to the second largest airport in the United States. DFW, larger airport than the island of Manhattan, serves as the home base for America's third largest airline, is world's busiest airport for aircraft, fourth busiest for passenger traffic. DFW traffic is also a significant spread place for UPS. Music. More than 20 of the biggest companies in the U.S. possess a DFW headquarters. Southwest Airlines is one of them. Charles Schwab, Dallas, and ExxonMobil are a key center for the majority of large enterprises, with many more coming. Music. DFW is home to more than 30 universities, containing TCU, SMUT, there are UTD, and the University of Dallas. There are more than 2 million pupils in the Metroplex. Music. The city with the most eateries is Dallas. Any U.S. city's population over 13,763 eateries. Thanks to Dallas's diversity population, DFW provides a variety of ethnic cuisine and chef-inspired dining experiences, like a rotating sushi bar, award-winning fine dining restaurant and bar, excellent Texas barbecue and steakhouses, genuine Mexican cuisine, even African food as well as Mediterranean food. Several breweries can be found in Dallas, and wineries that conduct tours, tastings every day of the week. Music. There are numerous activities available in Dallas. You can ride a scooter and observe the views, look out over the city, or indulge in the cool pool. You can even find it if you know where to search. Use both. Music. Numerous events are held in Clyde Warren Park. Their Summer Night series, for example, displays regional artists, and they also host annual water gun battle or enroll in a calming yoga class. There are also some stunning golf courses and nearby miniature golf courses consisting of 3 premier golf destinations. Music. Check out one of these for something cooler. Our skating rinks. If exercising appeals to you more, DFW offers several lovely routes where you may observe the scenery or get some exercise. Several lakes may be found in Calories, Dallas, that are excellent for fishing or rowing, swimming. So the eclectic deep is adjacent to downtown Elm District, famous for its concerts, locations, bars, and fascinating metal art, both paintings and installations. Everybody, if sports are more your thing, visit a sports bar like Texas, one of many live, or contact the supplier directly and watch a game in a Globe or a stadium. Actual Park. Dallas is the annual host of the Texas State Fair, featuring significant tax himself annually. 3 million people visit, explore the displays and the wild, scrumptious fair food and amusement rides. Music. DFW is also weary of the hectic metropolitan life. Offers numerous tranquil and peaceful country views. So whatever your preference, you will surely discover Dallas has something fantastic.